Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Please do make sure to like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Check out the links in the comments, etc. Just taking a look at Vechain then, as we can see, looking pretty damn good to be fair with the break and the retest that I've been talking about. Obviously in my previous video I did say if Bitcoin does continue to, wane and head down for a decent little correction and backtest, I think it's down around 15% now from its all-time high. We can see obviously Vechain is going to be correlated to that price action and continue down, which is exactly what I said in yesterday's video. And I did say if we break down and backtest this previous level of support as resistance, we'll be looking to come down probably to the 100 moving average or this previous swing here as support. And that's exactly what's happened. As we can see here on the charts, it's exactly what's happened. We've basically, if you look at the hourly here, you can see we've come up into a bit of a range. We've got our range high here up at around, 5.1, 5.2 cents. Our support here, which is very, very simply that 0.38 Fibonacci sitting here at around 4.2 cents. And it's a very simple breakdown, backtest, and now looking for a deeper retrace with Bitcoin looking a little bit bearish. Having a little bit of a cooling off period after coming up, making that new local all-time high for Bitcoin. It's around 74k now, I think, for Bitcoin. So obviously Vechain highly correlated to the price action of Bitcoin, especially to the downside. And we can see here, this is just shaping up really nice now. Lovely little backtest of that previous swing. And really in this local area here, along with the backtest of the 100 moving average, that previous swing high resistance as support here as well. And potentially this bear market resistance as support as well. Again, looking something like this. We're looking at this area here for a nice bounce. I said this exactly in the previous video. Go and watch it please if you don't believe me. A lot of people say that I make these things up, but I did say in the previous video anywhere from around 3 to 4-ish cents here would be a great place to come and backtest into this previous area of structure to get a springboard to the upside. We're looking at a nice little correction there for veracity from that local swing high down into this area of around 30 or 40%. Obviously if Bitcoin drops 20, 25, 30%, which it could, we could be seeing Vechain coming down anywhere from 40 to maybe even 50% down here, down towards that previous Fibonacci level, depending on how bad things get. But I think overall, making good bullish market structure, higher highs and higher lows here, and really anywhere in this area from 3 to 4 cents I think would be a good area for a bounce, considering all these areas, these layers of confluence for a reversal in the market. Obviously getting down here, getting a little bit oversold. We've got that previous bear market resistance to support. You've got your 100 moving average of support, which we've been bouncing on in this whole uptrend here, as you can see, and also retesting that previous level. Things just looking good in the local area. The macro looking fantastic as well. We've got the bull market coming into probably mad fruition over the next few months with the halving next month, which apparently is going to be on 420, which is absolutely hilarious and ridiculous. As you can see, we're just starting to pick up in volume as well for Vechain, picking up off the lows of the bear market, breaking out of that last bear market resistance level, start making our way up through our Fibonacci levels now, I would say, which is pretty damn likely considering obviously cryptos love Fibonacci levels in bull markets. This is something I always say. They're really, really good quality levels for people to take profits at, etc. So overall, Vechain looking nice in this local area. And the macro is looking fantastic. Basically just came down, back tested this previous massive area of structure, and now looking up, come up and make a new all-time high, I think, over the next 2 years of this bull market. Things looking good. Obviously, we've got extensions up here. I think heading up towards $1, around that 141. Very, very possible. So let's see what we can do. As always, like and subscribe, get involved, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.